question. Once you are entering a shul during prayer time, when entering, are you allowed to say hello, wave, or nod to someone around, or is a speech/distraction entirely forbidden?
Yeah, so if depends. So when during the prayer, usually it's forbidden to speak in a shul. Period, like a period, and that's it. So of course it's much stricter during the Shema, like when you need full concentration. Of course, so when the people pray in the Shemoneh Esrei, for example, right, you're not allowed to pass in front of that person 4 amos. Right, it's like 7 to 8 feet, as you said, in meters, like around 2 meters. So if you, like, for example, if you need to go to the restroom, or you went to the restroom before and you came back and they already started, so you have to go like around all of these people, or like sometimes when I need to go to the restroom, like I would take Siddur with me. Because sometimes the guys they like to block the aisle, so basically you cannot get to use seat. Of course, I'm like it happened to me only twice. Like one time I was blocked. Of course, I used different siddur, but the second time, I took siddur with me because I knew that they're going to block those pathways, right? But right, so you would not be like you're not allowed to walk in front of them. But usually it's not allowed to talk in a shul. If somebody answers, so you can always smile. You can like hide, like, but quietly wave, and that's it. Try not to make eye contact. Make it easier. Of course, it's tiny place. It's much harder, of course. But try to avoid look that like you're very concentrated, that you're very upset that you're late and stuff like that. So it also helps. So when you ignore people 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, they're going to leave you alone, guaranteed. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.